So welcome back guys. Today we are going to see the concept of Fibonacci series in Java programming. So what is the meaning of, first of all, the Fibonacci series in Java? Okay. So let's say if you have let's say I'm writing out two numbers, I'm writing out few numbers, right? So what is this numbers means? You can just see here. So let's say 0 and 1 is 1, right? So Fibonacci series is something where a number is the sum of before two numbers. If you would see here, 0 and 1 would be 1, 1 plus 2 would be 3, and so on. The series would be followed out. How can I just get the Fibonacci series with Java programming, right? That's what the question we are going to solve today, right? And let's just try to solve the series. I just want to get the Fibonacci series of first 10 integers. Let me just create the class here. I'm creating out a public class here. Let's go with the main method. And let's do one thing. I'm taking an integer n which is holding some values, let's say 10, because I want series up till 10. I'm taking out f as first number, that is 0. Let's take another number, second number, s, let's say 1. I'm taking out my system.out.print statement so that I can get my series. Let's say I'm giving out here n, and you are just, so you can actually use out here for better experience for user. Series is okay. We are going to use the for loop here. Let's say for loop which is having an integer I, that is 0. We will take some certain conditions which is smaller than equals to n. We would be moving out with the plus iteration. Then we would be just simply swapping out the concepts here. Let's say I'm creating out a new term which would be a next term, okay, and let's just have the inside f plus s combination. You can just swap out f with s. Let's just swipe again s with next term, and you will just try to get the response. Okay, series is, let's just try to wrap up within the double inverted comma, double quotation, and we'll get up till 10 numbers the series. So let's just check something wrong here. So if you would see here, we have taken here s plus s, which is wrong. So it would be f plus s. Let's just try to get the response now. Okay, again it's showing some error.